Here we are at lesson 5. In this lesson, in the first part, we are going to look at making polite requests, responses, and direct instructions. And in the second part, we will look at identifying drinks requested by the passengers during the drinks service. So, what is wrong with this phrase? Off now, please. What do you think the person is referring to? Off the plane? Turn off your mobile phone? Actually, the cabin crew member was asking a passenger to turn off their mobile phone. A better way of saying it would be, please turn it off now, or please turn off your mobile phone, electronic device now, please. In the next part, you will see polite requests, responses, and direct instructions. I will read them out so you can hear the tone of voice that you should use. Could you help me with this, please? Could you, or would you please? Do you think you could? Please turn it off now. Can you turn it off, please? I want you to. Turn it off, please. Please clear the aisle. Put it in the overhead locker. Yes. Yes, of course. No problem, sir. No problem, madam. I'm sorry, I'm not sure, but I will find out. I'm sorry, I don't know. I'm sorry, sir, but that's not possible. Sorry, madam, but I can't do that. Next, we're going to look at the table with drinks. Remember to download the handout and then tick the correct box. You will have about 2 minutes to complete the task.
Right Beat Radio.
And here are the answers. Red wine, beer, and a vodka coke are all alcohol. Orange juice, soft drink. Tea, coffee, and green tea, all hot drinks. Great job! That's the end of lesson 5.